Okay, so the biosphere is where all of life exists. So any place on the planet, the biosphere, where all life exists. Biodiversity talks about the different types of living organisms in one place. So when we talk about biodiversity, we talk about all the different types of things, and there's the most biodiversity in the tropic zone. A species is all members of one population that can successfully breed with themselves. A system is an organized, or a complex and organized system is something we study in biology. They have very many different intricate parts that work together. So a system is an organized group of interacting parts, and we look at different types of systems like cells and an ecosystem and how they work together. Homeostasis is maintaining an internal balance in spite of changing external stimuli or factors, so maintaining something constant inside regardless of what's going outside. Negative feedback loops is how we maintain homeostasis. It is the constant feedback of changing variables that allows us to churn off the production of a response that brings those variables back to a set point. So the negative feedback, right? That's the homeostasis. Negative feedback is a system that returns a condition to its normal set point. Evolution is the change of a species over time based on responses in its environment. A hypothesis is an educated guess based on observations that we have made in the past. Experiments are used to test our hypothesis and explain natural phenomenon. The independent variable is the variable that is manipulated or changed. It's the one that we're testing to see if it causes an effect. All right, that's the independent variable. And the dependent variable, that's the thing that's we're measuring and observed and seeing if the independent variable had an effect on it. A theory is a well-supported hypothesis that have lots of evidence. So it's very strong. A microscope is a tool that biologists use to be able to study biology at a very small level, at a microscopic level. There are light microscopes. There are scanning electron microscopes. Provides us with physical information about specimens. A gene is a portion of DNA, a segment of DNA that provides information on how to build a protein. Biotechnology is the use of technology in biology, such as with studying DNA, putting transgenic crops, putting genes from one species into another species. So biotechnology, that last one. Okay, it offers great process, but it has very many issues. So biotechnology is the use and application of living things and the biological process. So we have DNA testing, transgenic crops, also transgenic bacteria.